Worried about your payment info on your PS4? Let's get that Visa card removed right now. First, power on your PlayStation 4 and navigate to the settings menu. It's usually represented by a toolbox icon. Just scroll right until you find it. Once you're in settings, scroll down until you see account management selected by pressing the X button on your controller. In the account management menu, go to account information. You will most likely have to enter your password to continue, so go ahead and do that. Now that you're in account information, scroll down until you find wallet. Select wallet, as this is where your payment methods are stored. Here in the wallet menu, you'll see payment methods. Select payment methods by pressing X. This is where you can view and remove your saved cards. You should see your Visa card listed. Select the card you want to remove and then select remove. A confirmation message will pop up. Confirm that you want to remove the card. Once confirmed, your Visa card will be removed from your PS4 account. And that's it. Your Visa card is now safely removed. For more PS4 security tips, subscribe to our channel.